Good morning, everybody. Myself, Priyanka Barik, Assistant Professor of VIT College at Khordha. Today, I am going to starting about fundamentals of construction technology. Before we going to starting about fundamentals of construction technology, we first know about what is construction technology. Construction technology short form is CT. We can say it CT. What is construction technology? It is the branch of civil engineering, and construction technology is the collections of innovations of tools, machines, and applications, new modifications to improve the companies of a different types of various projects. Now we are going to start about fundamentals of construction technology. Fundamentals of construction technology having 6 topics. First one is introduction, second one is construction technology, third one is construction process, fourth one is construction workers, fifth one is construction estimating, and sixth one is conclusions. Let's start about introductions. Okay, so construction technology is the design and building of structures. It means construction technology having new designs and building of structures. We are giving a new designs, and we are creating a new building with a beautiful designs and with a beautiful structures. Structures are stationary systems designed as supports or shelters from the environment. This means we are going to giving a shelters to the environment. Okay, it helps, infrastructures helps lots of benefits. These are going to giving a lots of benefits to the peoples. Okay, here is picture giving, here it is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Okay, it is situated in Dubai. Here is giving increasing heights. Okay, it is tower. Burj Khalifa is a tower. Here we are showing, here it is shown a increased height towers, span distances. Span distances means gap between two buildings. Okay, provides shelters. Buildings gives a shelter. It can improve to development, the environment, the society. Okay, it provides support, roads, bridges, railways, canals, pipelines, etc. Okay. Then we comes to the second point, construction activities. Okay, what is construction activities? It is an activity which is typically one stage of a project management plan. Okay, in project management plan, activity is the main point. Without activities, we can't do any type of work. Okay, each activity consists of one or more actions that will lead to the next project stage. It means bit by bit activities comes, and we will do the work by bitwise. Okay, these activities should be taken in the next topics, activities that result in the final deliverable. Here is the picture given. See it. It is the infrastructure. Okay, lots of activities are continuing, and this is the third point, construction process. Here, what we get it, the construction phase involves site preparation, excavation, foundation, framing, masonry work, roofing, interior finishes, and exterior finishes. What we get it here? When we are constructing the phase, site preparation, first of all, we are excavating. Okay? After excavating, we are giving a foundation, framing. Framing means what you know? The framework means we are keeping a metal thing or a wood thing, okay, to give the border. Masonry work, roofing, interior finishes, and exterior finishes. Okay, and then finally, post construction involves the final work through the handover of the completed building. Okay. The next one is, fourth one is construction workers. Okay. What do you mean by construction workers? There are different types of stages here. Okay. But we are taking 4 stages. Okay. One is the contractor. What is the duty of contractor? The contractor is a person who builds or performing works on building. Okay. What do you mean by contractor? It is It is the stage where the person builds or performing a building. Okay, builds and performing the building. Builds not only building but also performing. Got it? Then second one is the construction of the engineer of construction site. Site engineer and work manager are responsible for the implementation of obligations under the act. Okay, without act we cannot able to do the construction site work. It is fully prohibited for engineer. Without act we cannot do the work in site engineer. Okay, in site places. The designer, after construction site, after the contractor, after the construction site, here we take the stage, third stage, the designer. What is the designer means? It means a real person who under a special law has the right to use professional title license architect or engineer. As before I told you that without act, without specific law, we cannot do any type of work in the site, okay, civil site. We take, first of all, we take the license and then we give the various types of various categories of designing, okay, in the infrastructure. The supervisor, what is the role of supervisor? Investor is obliged to provide a professional construction supervision according to the law. According to the law, supervisor duty means to give, to guide, to give the instruction to the engineers, okay, and the employees. Then next point is, fifth point is construction estimating. What do you mean by construction estimating? It is the estimating. That means we assume it, we estimate it, how much calculation, how much we are giving, we are going to giving the dimensions, we are calculating, we are estimating, okay. The first point is the construction estimating is the process of determining the number of materials, okay. It is here, it is determining the number of materials, how much materials is needed here, okay. Resources, resources means what? Here is resources means calculators, scale, various types of map, here you can look it here also, here is given, okay, scale, calculator, okay, all things are necessary, drawing sheet, okay, resources, and especially project costs needed to operate during a construction project, okay. Then this is usually done before the start of the project, okay. Before starting the project it is usually done, otherwise we all will confused, we all will getting confused that how we'll do without planning, without doing, without planning or giving any map or giving any estimating, how can we do the work? Got it? So you can procure estimated materials and gather the funds as the project progresses. How to the project get progresses, okay, that's why we have to calculate it, we have to estimate it, we make the map, we make the, we give the particular we means good plan, okay. Without estimation in civil engineering it is impossible to complete a construction project, okay. This is fully impossible to complete a construction project for giving the operating cost, okay. Now the last one but not the least, conclusions, okay. Like other technology system, construction system include inputs, processes and outputs. As we know that input and output both are necessary, yes or no? Input includes the 7 resources. Do you know what is the 7 resources? Peoples, materials, tools, information, energy, capital, machines and time, okay. These all are needed. Without all these things, without cooperating all these things, gathering all these things, we cannot solve, we cannot complete the fundamentals of construction technology. Hope you guys are getting my point and you all are happy. So thank you all of you. Next, see you on our next class, okay.